Tired of constantly chasing one-time projects and ready to build lasting client relationships? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find long-term projects on Upwork that provide stable, predictable income. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Long-term projects are the holy grail for freelancers seeking stability. They reduce the constant stress of finding new work and let you focus on doing your best work. Let me show you how to find them. First, use the project length filter strategically. When searching for jobs, look for the project length filter and select ongoing or long-term. This immediately filters out short-term gigs and shows you clients looking for extended collaborations. Pay close attention to the language in job posts. Look for keywords like long-term partnership, ongoing work, retainer basis, or multiple projects. These phrases indicate clients are thinking beyond a single assignment and value building relationships. Focus on clients with complex problems rather than simple tasks. Projects that require understanding a client's business, systems, or processes often lead to ongoing work. Look for posts that mention "help us build," "be part of our team," or "ongoing maintenance." A crucial pro tip: check the client's hiring history. Clients who have hired multiple freelancers for long durations or have rehired the same freelancers multiple times are more likely to offer sustained work. Avoid clients with only one-time hires in their history. When applying, position yourself as a long-term partner. In your proposals, emphasize your reliability, communication skills, and interest in growing with their business. Ask about their long-term vision and how you can contribute beyond the immediate project needs. And just like that, you're equipped to find projects that provide both financial stability and professional growth. Building long-term relationships is the key to sustainable freelancing success. If this strategy helps you find more stable work, please give it a like. What's your best tip for maintaining long-term client relationships? Share your wisdom in the comments below. To discover opportunities closer to home, subscribe for our next video on how to find local jobs on Upwork. Thanks for watching.